A measurement of 4 on the vertical speed indicator indicates an ascent of A. 200 feet per minute, B. 2000 feet per minute, C. 400 feet per minute, D. 4000 feet per minute. The correct answer is 4000 feet per minute. Airbus proposed a common symbol system on the PFD and HUD with the A380800, B. A350800, C. A351,000, D. A330neo. The correct answer is A351,000. Which of the following is not shown on the heading display? A. Current heading, B. Airspeed, C. Thrust, D. Rate of turn. The correct answer is airspeed. Which of the following is shown at the bottom of the PFD? A. Airspeed indicator, B. Heading display, C. Vertical speed indicator, D. Altitude indicator. The correct answer is heading display. Which one of the following is not true with respect to line maintenance? A. Quick turnaround time, B. Aircraft is refueled, C. Critical instruments are checked for defects, D. Performed at MRO sites. The correct answer is performed at MRO sites. What does the vertical speed indicator indicate? A. Rate at which the pressure changes, B. Rate at which the altitude changes, C. Rate at which the temperature changes, D. Rate at which the airspeed changes. The correct answer is rate at which the temperature changes. What is the full form of SRM? A. Structure Repair Manual, B. Structure Repairing Manual, C. Structural Repair Manual, D. Structural Repairing Manual. The correct answer is Structure Repair Manual. Out of the following, which is not an important factor affecting the work of the line maintenance engineer? A. Time, B. Weather, C. Ground staff, D. Fuel. The correct answer is time. PFD does not use the pitot-static system. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false. Line maintenance is carried out at the apron. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The PFD does not contain any mechanical parts. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.